sé an aibatá agan inis nach bhfuil an therapy fáil nuair bhíonn sé sáile féin pádraig therapy gach seachtain ach táid ag íochas agus tá sé ancostasach.
At a time when their lives have been absolutely turned upside down, they're having to fight for services, they're having to struggle to put services in place. There should be a defined pathway for people with neurological conditions, for people with acquired brain injury, instead of turning the family into advocates fighting for the care that they need.
Ní rán dar a ré ag mutir sélar a hanneomar a héna chró. Wanna siad an carhannacht an síl le cuidú le daoine a bhí sa bhféad hir na lá héin. A mlíana dírí leis an charhannacht sin míniú bhil ón rialtas, fa chunne tin scadal píladach úr.
I thought, well, maybe the best thing to do is, rather than to complain about what is wrong, is to show them how it could be done right. So I wrote a proposal for a 3-year pilot project to set up a daycare centre where people would get the right therapies and where they would be able to lead a life in dignity and respect. And, well, the idea is that the daycare centre develops into a centre that also has a residential aspect to it, so that there's going to be a place where Pádraig can live and others can live, even when we are not around or might not be able to help him as we do at the moment.